Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Apple won a bid in California federal court for an early 2024 jury trial in an App Store antitrust case, as a judge declined to hold up the litigation while a US appeals court weighs a parallel lawsuit challenging the tech company's policies as anti-competitive. The Bank of England's concerns about UK growth will soon be realised, as the upcoming UK GDP report is expected to show no growth for the 3 months through May. The June US inflation rate report will give the ammunition the Federal Reserve needs to justify another rate hike later this month. The Financial Stability Board, which includes central bankers and treasury officials from G20 countries, is working on bringing global cryptocurrency regulations to the industry by October. Such regulations have become a necessity due to the recent collapse of the cryptocurrency market, which led to the loss of billions of dollars.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index Core will be released at 12:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.